All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and so I brought you the thin armor for the LG G8, and here it is for the Google Pixel 3a XL. You can find links to this in the description. You can find this for the 3a as well, I believe. But again, same thing with the G8. You have this nice design on the back, and you have this sloping around the fingerprint reader. Finger rest in very well. It's nice and compact in there. It's nice. I don't like a big cutout around a fingerprint reader if I don't have to have it. Now the camera on this one is slightly recessed, so you get some lay on the table design. If you land it, most people lay their phones down like that, and yeah, that's how that goes. Now, as far as this phone, I do have a tempered glass on this one, so you can see there is minimal lip protection around the front of this one as well. And that's just how it's going to be. So if you lay it down flat like that, you know what you're getting into. Now the buttons on here are tactile. They work great. You know, it's not a mushy feel. It's a more tight feel, so it feels really solid. I can tell that this phone, when pressing the buttons, I'm getting the feedback and a response right away. You can see the ports on here. They are completely open for that side. You've got your headphone jack and your microphone up here, which work great. No problems whatsoever. And then again, all the cutouts on the back here. So let me take the case off and show you the material. It's just a nice thin. It's thin, but it's thick. Does that make sense? It's not as, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, even though the case costs $9, we all know that you can find great cases for $10, between 10 and 20 bucks, that'll really protect your phone. So this has that honeycomb design in here. They'll say that's for shock protection and things like that. You got some faint little branding here that says thin armor. And that's pretty much it, along with the Encased on the back. And I've been using this on my Pixel 3a XL for a couple of days now. And I want to give you a video on it. Again, I said in the other video, I'll try to start using the products first instead of just giving you an unboxing and walkthrough, because I really don't feel like I'm doing you any justice by giving you just an unboxing for a case and telling you how it feels in hand. I haven't had any problems with it, although I haven't dropped the phone in this case yet. The most I've dropped it is like this. That's a drop test. And since I have a screen protector on here, you know, if you drop a phone on the corner like that, that's when phones tend to shatter when they hit these corners down here. So let's drop it. That would make the phone shatter. But in this case, you have some protection on the corners here, and it should be okay with protecting your phone. So Pixel 3a XL, I will link in the description for this one. And I appreciate Encased sponsoring another video with another case. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.